how to read the newspaper or how to make notes out of it and how to go about it. See, since I have been stressing on reading newspaper, I would say at least in the initial part of your preparation, please take a physical newspaper. I referred to the Hindu for most of the part of my preparation. It was only when I had cleared my mains and I was preparing for my interview that I started reading the Indian Express. But I also found that the Indian Express is also a good newspaper with good articles. Anyways, for the preparation of my mains part, I kept reading articles from other newspapers as well, and the Hindu was my basic source. Now, when it comes to newspaper reading, you have to be very clear कि what sections are important and what are not. हर चीज़ ज़रूरी नहीं है कि important हो, और ये आपको तभी पता चलेगा when you will be, आप तब जब you will be in hold of your UPSC syllabus and the previous year question papers. जब आपको ये पता चल जाए कि ये दो चीज़ें कितनी क्या इनमें क्या क्या important है, तभी आप समझ सकते हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर में क्या चीज़ important. Only then you will be able to understand which thing is important in the civil service exam. So first things first, editorials are very important. कहीं पर भी आप पढ़ रहे हैं, उसका जो editorial section है वो सबसे ज़रूरी है. वहाँ पर हर कोई अपने opinions लिखते हैं, और जो opinions वहाँ पे छपते हैं, whatever opinions are printed in the newspaper are authentic. Some of the other level they are there, they are recognized names. So please go through that section very well. हो सकता है कभी कभार यू विल कम अक्रॉस एन आर्टिकल विच इज़ लीनिंग ऑन वन साइड. कभी आप ऐसे आर्टिकल के आसपास आएंगे, आप पढ़ेंगे इनको, तो आपको हर व्यू पॉइंट से उस मुद्दे को पढ़ना है. यू हैव टू रीड द व्यू पॉइंट फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस एंड देन यू हैव टू डिसाइड ऑन योर ओन कि विच एग्जैक्टली इज द मिडल पार्ट और व्हाट यू शुड बी राइटिंग इन योर आंसर्स. So this will come with practice. Please do read the editorial section, that is the most important. After that, moving on to the inner sections, sometimes you get news on environment section, sometimes you'll get on the science and technology that this satellite was launched, या फिर इस तरीके का अभी इसरो का ये एक नया प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हुआ है. ऐसी चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं न्यूज़पेपर में. इसके अलावा कभी कोई और इंटरनेशनल विजिट है, जो इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस का पेज होता है, दैट पेज विल टेक यू थ्रू ऑल द करंट डायनामिक्स दैट आर हैपनिंग, एंड समटाइम्स यू विल ऑल्सो गेट आर्टिकल्स ऑन इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन डायनामिक्स इन द ओपिनियन सेक्शन. सो वो भी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. I think that's all about reading newspapers. After when you're talking about making notes, so I'll say editorial section is one key. It's good to make notes because when you categorize information, जब आप information को एक जगह पर रखते हैं categorize करके, तो even learning becomes easy. उसको याद करना भी आसान हो जाता है. तो कभी कभार you'll come across an article, suppose on the Parliament of India. Then again after some 10 days you again get an article on it. So you can just add that into your notes. And that is why I always suggest that please make notes on plain loose A4 size blank papers. Don't use rule copies because that is how we have to write answers in the real exam. And loose sheets रहेंगे, so you can keep adding on to it. So that is my take on newspaper reading and making